guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this company, you can sign up. It's free to create a profile and you answer some questions, and if you're selected, you get a box of goodies. All that they ask is that you review them. So it's very simple, and I will also put the website below and all their social media, because if you follow them on there, they give out boxes as well. So let's take a look at what we got this month. We got some Vitamin Friends Iron Vegan Gummies. Mystery flavor. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it has. All sorts of stuff. So A, C, B3, B6, folic acid, B12, biotin, iron, zinc. Very good. We like gummies, so we'll definitely use those. We also have some Tipson tea. This is caffeine-free herbal infusions, liver cleanse. There's 20 individual bags in there. That's awesome. SmartPatches, drink tonight, enjoy tomorrow. That's hilarious, and it's a little wallet pack too. Let's open that up and take a look. So this is pretty interesting. They're patches that it's almost like a nicotine patch. That's what it reminds me of. It delivers vitamins though. So before you have your first drink, you clean and dry the area. They do have little cleansing wipes in here. And then it's just a patch that you wear. So they show you like idea areas that you can put it somewhere with little to no hair. Apply to a spot with minimal flexing, rubbing, friction, sweat. And then you can wear it for at least 8 hours. It's pretty interesting. I have never seen anything like that. I like that. And it fits in your wallet too, so that's cool. Next up we have Cleanse Freshen Go Dental Application, or Dental Appliance Cleansing Wipes rather. These are little towelettes, and there's 5 in here, and it's a mint flavor. Helps remove odors, plaque, and stains, and kills bacteria. Very useful as well. Then we have Ultima Replenisher. These are electrolyte hydration mixes. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. Gotta love that. Comes with all different flavors, it looks like. It's gluten-free, keto-friendly, plant-based. That's awesome. I want to see what flavors are in here. Looks like there's multiple different flavors. Oh yeah, we have lemonade. This looks like grape, cherry pomegranate, blue raspberry, a regular raspberry, and a pink lemonade. So yeah, love that. We'll definitely use those. Several of those. And then at the end, there's normally a paper clip, and you will get more information about some of the brands in the box, and sometimes there are promo codes as well. So this one has a 15% discount on their website. Then we also have another promo and some information about those dental appliance wipes and some other stuff that they have. So very cool. If you guys would like to sign up and try to win a box, make sure you check out the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.